fashion mistakes you're probably making and how to fix them. Hey fabulous icons, today, we're diving into some common fashion mistakes you might be making and more importantly, how to fix them. Like, are you even aware of how often you're probably committing fashion faux pas? Don't worry, I do it too. That's why I wanted to make this video. And like, don't even get me started on how many times I've left the house looking like a hot mess. It's a journey, you know? But seriously, we're going to break down some common fashion mistakes and I'll give you my best tips or whatever on how to avoid them. So grab your coffee, tea, iced latte, kombucha, or like, whatever you're sipping on and let's get into it. Okay, first up, let's talk about fit. We've all been there, right? Trying to squeeze into those jeans that are a size too small, thinking we can just suck it in. Been there, done that, regretted it. Wearing clothes that fit properly can make a huge difference. It's not just about size, it's about how the clothes hang on your body. I used to think the tighter the better. No, sometimes a more relaxed fit can be super flattering. And on the flip side, wearing clothes that are too big can make you look like bigger than you are. It's all about finding that sweet spot, you know? Okay, next up we need to talk about accessorizing. I love a good accessory, don't get me wrong, but there's a fine line between chic and like straight up Christmas tree. Too many accessories can be distracting and take away from your outfit instead of adding to it. It's like pick a lane, people. Are we going for statement earrings or a statement necklace? Choose one and let it shine. And don't even get me started on rings. I mean, how many rings are too many rings? I don't know the answer, but I feel like there's a limit. A good rule of thumb is to start with a few key pieces and then add more if you're feeling it. But like, proceed with caution, okay? Chapter 3. Ignoring shoes. Don't be that person. Let's be real, shoes can make or break an outfit. I've been guilty of throwing on a cute outfit and then completely forgetting about my shoes. Big mistake. The right pair of shoes can elevate your look, while the wrong pair can totally ruin it. And I'm not saying you need to wear like sky-high heels every day. A simple pair of sneakers can look amazing with the right outfit. It's all about finding shoes that complement your style and the occasion. Chapter 4. Not dressing for your body type. Embrace your shape. Okay, this is a big one. Not all fashion trends are created equal, and not all trends will look good on everyone. And that's totally okay. We all have different body types, and that's what makes us unique. The key is to find clothes that flatter your shape and make you feel confident. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and silhouettes until you find what works for you. And remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to fashion. Chapter 5. Following trends blindly. Be yourself, not a fashion clone. We've all been there, scrolling through Instagram and seeing the latest fashion trends. And then, we feel this pressure to buy everything and look exactly like everyone else. But here's the thing. Fashion is about expressing yourself, not about conforming to some arbitrary standard. It's totally fine to be inspired by trends, but don't feel like you need to follow them blindly. Develop your own personal style by experimenting with different pieces and finding what makes you feel good. Thanks for watching, fabulous icons. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion advice. Remember, fashion is all about having fun and expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works for you. And never ever forget to wear sunscreen. Just kidding. But seriously, stay fabulous.